Imagine earning $1,000 passively just by leveraging these free AI tools. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because today we'll uncover 6 AI-powered platforms that can help you do just that. This is not just a dream, it's a reality waiting for you to tap into. Welcome to SmartMoneyAI, where we explore the intersection of artificial intelligence and personal finance. Today, we're diving deep into passive income, what it is, why it matters, and how you can start generating it with innovative AI tools. Passive income allows your money to work for you, freeing up your time and enabling financial freedom. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a safety net, leveraging AI can simplify this process. So, let's jump right in. First up is Canva, an AI-driven graphic design tool that not only makes creating stunning visuals easy but can also help you generate income. With Canva, you can design graphics for social media, marketing materials, and more. You can sell these designs on platforms like Etsy or even start a freelance gig on sites like Fiverr. Just imagine, with a few clicks, you can create a product that sells. To get started, simply sign up for a free account, explore templates, and start creating. Many users report making anywhere from $200 to $1,000 a month using this approach, depending on their dedication. Next, we have ChatGPT, a conversational AI tool perfect for content creation. Whether you want to write blog posts, social media content, or even ebooks, ChatGPT can help you generate high-quality text quickly. This tool is especially effective for beginners, as it guides you through the writing process, ensuring you produce engaging and relevant material. To optimize your earnings, consider offering freelance writing services or self-publishing your ebooks on platforms like Amazon. Users have reported earning over $500 a month by leveraging this tool for their writing needs. If you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss our weekly AI finance tips. Our third tool is Google Trends, an invaluable resource for identifying trending topics and keywords. By understanding what people are searching for, you can create targeted content that attracts more traffic, whether it's for a blog, YouTube channel, or an affiliate marketing site. To maximize your earnings, pair this tool with affiliate marketing. For instance, if a particular product is trending, create content around it and include your affiliate links. With the right strategy, users have seen a 30% increase in their affiliate earnings by simply using Google Trends effectively. Fourth on our list is Teachable, an online course creation platform that empowers you to monetize your expertise. With Teachable, you can create and sell courses on virtually any topic. If you have a skill or knowledge that others want to learn, this is a great way to generate passive income. Many course creators make between $500 to $2,000 a month, especially if they leverage social media for promotion. Real user success stories illustrate that with effective marketing, you can reach thousands of students. Don't forget to incorporate email marketing to nurture your audience and drive sales. Now, let's talk about Zapier, an automation tool that connects your favorite apps and streamlines your workflow. By automating repetitive tasks, you can free up time to focus on income-generating activities. For instance, if you sell products online, use Zapier to automatically add customer information to your email list. Integrating it with other tools can significantly diversify your income streams. Users have reported saving over 10 hours a week by automating processes, allowing them to focus on scaling their businesses. Subscribe to Smart Money AI for more money-saving AI strategies every week. Finally, let's explore stock photo websites like Unsplash and Pexels, where you can monetize your photography skills. By submitting your images, you can earn passive income whenever someone downloads your work. Many photographers have turned their passion into profits, averaging about $1,000 a month just from stock photography. To optimize your earnings, focus on niche markets and create high-quality images that resonate with specific audiences. This is a fantastic way to leverage your creative skills into a reliable income source. To recap, today we covered 6 incredible free AI tools that can help you generate passive income: Canva, ChatGPT, Google Trends, Teachable, Zapier, and stock photo websites. Each of these tools offers unique capabilities that can be utilized to create income streams. Whether you're a novice or an experienced entrepreneur, there's something here for everyone. The key is to start using these tools today and build a diversified income strategy that works for you. Now that you have these tools at your disposal, let's outline some actionable steps to get started. First, create accounts for each tool and familiarize yourself with their features. Next, set specific financial goals for each tool, whether that's $200 from Canva designs or $1,000 from your Teachable course. Finally, commit to a schedule for working on these projects weekly. Consistency is crucial to turning these tools into real income sources. Remember, the sooner you start, the sooner you can see results. As you embark on this journey, consider how you can integrate these tools into a long-term passive income strategy. For instance, combine your course on Teachable with marketing through Google Trends. Diversifying your income streams will not only provide financial stability but also create a safety net against market fluctuations. Successful entrepreneurs often say that having multiple income sources is key to financial freedom. Embrace this mindset, and you'll be well on your way to generating substantial passive income. Looking ahead, the potential for AI in personal finance is expanding rapidly. With advancements in machine learning and automation, new tools are emerging that will further simplify the process of generating passive income. Stay informed about these trends and be ready to adapt. The future of passive income through AI is bright, and by getting in early, you can position yourself to reap the rewards. Remember, innovation often leads to opportunity, and those who embrace it will thrive. In conclusion, passive income is not just a financial goal, it's a pathway to freedom and flexibility. By utilizing these 6 free AI tools, you can start your journey toward earning $1,000 or more in passive income. Take the first step today, and watch your financial landscape transform. Each tool is designed to empower you, so don't wait any longer. Start leveraging AI to create the lifestyle you desire. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and share it with anyone looking to boost their income through AI. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Money AI and hit the bell icon for more insights into leveraging AI for your financial success every week. Your journey to financial freedom starts with knowledge, and we're here to help you every step of the way.